Welcome back. One of the things you may want to do is to match the tone that you normally write in when you are redoing content inside of Jasper. And Jasper has a template that will help you to do that. You're going to go to the templates area. You're then going to go to the ads area. What you're going to see is that there's an element here called tone detector. You're going to click on that element. You're going to see that you have 800 characters that you can paste in here so that Jasper can tell you your specific tone of voice. So what you can do is you can grab content that you have recently written. You're going to copy that content and you're going to paste it into Jasper. And you're going to add in your content here in this area. Once you have your content added, you can click Generate. And Jasper will generate your content voice. And you can see here that when you're going to be rewriting or redoing content, you can use this voice in order to help Jasper to more closely match the voice that you normally write in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.